National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, Pike County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Garland County in central Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, west central Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas. Until 7:15 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Glenwood, Amity, Narrows Dam, Halfway, Crater of Diamonds State Park, Delight, Antoine, Alpine, Bear Creek Public Use Area, Bonnerdale, Welsh, Shawmut, Rossboro, Pike City, Hollywood, Nathan, Point Cedar, Kirby, Highland in Pike County,